Let us begin with a simple scene. A man is sitting at his desk, looking out of the window at the world, the beautiful world around us trees, skies, people walking, clouds moving. But is this world exactly as it appears to be? For thousands of years, philosophers had asked this basic question: what is reality really like? Some of them said reality is exactly what we perceive, but others said no, our senses deceive us. True reality lies beyond. This confusion went on for centuries until a quiet, disciplined German philosopher named Immanuel Kant changed the entire way the question was asked. He introduced a big twist. Maybe the problem is us. Before Kant, philosophers assumed that the mind tries to understand the objective world. But Kant said something radical. What if the world we experience is shaped by the mind itself? This was a complete reversal. He called it his Copernican revolution in philosophy. Just like Copernicus shifted the center from Earth to the Sun, Kant shifted the center from world to the mind, or he shifted it from mind to the world. The mind is not passive. According to Kant, the mind is active. Immanuel Kant said that your mind is not like a camera, it is more like a filter, a lens, or a processor. When you see the world, you don't see reality as it is. You see reality as your mind structures it. Space and time are not out there. This is Kant's most mind blowing idea. He said that space is not something outside you, and time is also not something outside you. They are ways your mind organizes experience. Think of it like this: your mind has built in glasses. One lens is space, and the other lens is time. Everything you experience is automatically arranged somewhere in space or some time in time. So you can never experience anything outside space and time because your mind always applies them. He made the distinction between phenomenon versus reality. Phenomena is the world as we experience it. This includes objects, people, events, and everything that we see and touch. And the other is noumena, reality as it is in itself, the ultimate reality beyond our perception. That is noumena. Kant's shocking claim is that we can never know the noumenon. We can never know the world as it is, only as it appears to us. We only ever experience phenomena, reality filtered through our mind. Imagine wearing colored glasses your entire life. Everything you see appears tinted. Now ask, what does the world look like without the glasses? You can never know because you can never remove them. Kant says your mind is those glasses. The mind has built in rules according to Kant. It doesn't just impose space and time, it imposes categories, basic concepts like cause and effect, unity, plurality, and substance. For example, when you see a ball hit another ball, you don't just see movement. You automatically think that this caused that. But Kant says that causality is not out there in the world, it is something that your mind imposes. This was huge because before Kant, people thought that the world contains causality, structure, and order. After Kant, the mind creates structure of experience. This changed philosophy forever. Kant's ethics, or what is right and wrong, according to him, was also defined by him. He did not stop at knowledge. He asked, how should we act? His answer is very powerful. He said, morality is not about consequences, happiness, emotions, it is about duty. The categorical imperative is another idea of Immanuel Kant. Kant's famous rule is that you should act only in a way that you would want to become a universal law. In simple terms, before doing something, ask, what if everyone did this? If the world becomes chaotic, it's wrong. If the world still works, it is right. For example, lying. If everyone lies, trust collapses and communication breaks. So, lying cannot be universal, it is morally wrong. He said that humans are not tools. Kant believed that every person should be treated as an end in themselves, not as a means. You should not use people and respect their dignity. Every human has intrinsic worth. This idea shaped modern ideas of human rights, dignity, and ethics. Kant's philosophical impact was enormous. He changed everything. After him, philosophy became about how we know, not just what exists. Science got a clearer foundation. Ethics became rational, not emotional. And human dignity got philosophical grounding. Kant once said something very famous. Two things fill me with wonder: the starry sky above me and the moral law within me. It means that the universe outside is vast and mysterious, but the human mind and moral sense are equally profound. In one sentence, Kant's philosophy says that you do not experience reality directly, but a world that your mind actively constructs, and within that world, your duty is to act morally with reason and dignity. Thank you so much for listening. Please like the video, share it, and do subscribe to The Nerd.